Okay, students, so your teacher would have sent you the link. So you're going to click on your link, and then that's going to bring you to Mrs. Bamey's art spot. And up here, I've got all these tabs for the different grades. So I've even got a few projects in third grade. But on the home page, if you go down right here, it says Student Gallery is now open. And if you click over here on the Fox Hollow Art Gallery, that is going to bring up our Fox Hollow Art Gallery. And what you're going to do is over here is the instructions, and it says to add your art, click on the pink plus sign. Okay, so that's right down here in the corner. And when you click on that, it's going to open a box right over underneath the art gallery part. So you can add the title. For the title, what I'd like you to do is put your first name and what grade you're in. So let's say your name's Mary and you are in third grade. Okay, then you can click down below it and you can add a description. So you did a toucan and you used, so you can say I used color, pencil, and crayons. And then if you want, you can add a little bit of, see, my favorite part of my picture is the beak, or whatever your favorite part is. So if your parents took a picture and uploaded it into your computer, then you would click the arrow to upload it from your computer. Or you can take a picture of your artwork. When you do it, I would kind of like it in front of your face so that you're practicing internet safety, and it gives you 3 seconds after to take the picture. So if I click on that right there, it's going to start my camera, and then I want to make sure that I've got it all in, so I'm going to position it into the right spot. Then I'm going to click my camera, and then I'm just going to move it over my face, and then I'll hear the click, and then I know it's done. And then you just push save. And after it uploads, your picture will be right there. So you guys go ahead and finish your toucans. Remember to do a really nice job on it. Some of you guys, if your coloring has like the zigzaggy part, you can also take a different color marker and go around the outside and re-outline it so it cleans up those edges. And then I can't wait to see some more of your artwork. Thanks, guys.